Welcome students, this is Rosha CBSE Maths 10th Arithmetic Progression 5th lesson, exercise 5.3, 19th sum. So this is the 19th sum and only one more sum to finish. So let's go to the sum. 200 logs are stocked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, okay, 19 in the second next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. Okay, in how many rows are the 20 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? Okay, so this is our question. See that there are 200 logs are there. Totally how many logs? 200 logs are there. So see, first they have arranged 20 logs. So here this is 20 logs. Then 19. Then 18. So on and so on it is reducing. Okay, in the bottom they have arranged 20 logs. Okay, so it is reducing. So it is in the AP form. So total, if you add total logs, you will get 200. Okay, so you can take the 200 as sum of the logs in the every row. Okay, every row there are logs. You have to add, you will get 200. So Sn. So sum of all the logs in the row, every row is 200. Okay, is it understand students? You have to understand the question first. Okay, so in the bottom they have arranged 20. So the next row it is 19, next 18, so next 17 and so on. So we don't know the last number and we don't know how many rows are there. That is our question. Okay, how many rows? It is n. What are the last number? Okay, some rows only, the limited rows won't be there. Okay, so we should find L also. Okay, this is our question. How many rows are 200 logs placed? That is n. And how many logs on the top row? So in the nth row, how many logs? So that is L. So you are going to find this one. So from this number you know that A is 20. So what is your D? So D is equal to second term minus first term. So this is 19 minus 20. So that is minus 1. So D is equal to minus 1. Okay. So we found the value of D minus 1. A also 20. So you know it is given. Sn is equal to given. So you know two formulas. Okay students. So for what are the two formulas? Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is one formula, and another formula is n by 2 a plus l. Okay, so in this sum we don't know the value of l. Okay, last value is not given, so we can use this formula. Okay, yes. So now substitute for n is equal to, we don't know n. So what about 2 into a? A is 20 plus we don't know n, so n minus 1. D is minus 1. This is 200. Okay, so into 2. This 2 come cross multiplication by. Okay, so this is n. Here this is 40. Minus 1, if you multiply you will get minus n and plus 1. Okay students, do you understand? Just multiplying by minus 1 and minus 1. So plus 1 minus n. So in the next step, see, this is n. 40 plus 1, 41 minus n. Okay, so by n you multiply this and here. So this is 41n minus n square. Here this is 400. So at last you have a equation. Okay, so this is an equation. What is that equation? 400 if goes there. Sorry, this 41n and n. Okay, it has to come this side because n square has a minus coefficient. Okay, if it comes here it will be positive. So it will be n square minus 41n plus 400. equal to 0. Okay students, now you have an equation, so you have to split that, factorize that equation. Okay, so how will you factorize this equation? So here this is 400. 400 is if you factorize in the 2 times, 1 400, 2 200, so 4 times 100, so it goes long students. So I give a short method. What is that method? 400, you have a prime factorization. Okay, so this is 200, again 2, so this is 100, again 2, this is 50, again 2, so this is 25, so again 5, 5, so 5, 5. Okay, you have to choose a 2 number. When you add, you have to get 41. So that is our challenge. Okay, so see, this 2's are there. If you multiply, you will get 16. 5 5's are 25. So if you add, you will get 41. Okay students, so if you need a next pair, what pair? If you need other pair, 1 2 3 8, this is 10 into 50. So in this sum, we need 16 into 25. Okay, so if you add, you will get 41. So take the right pair, 16 into 25. You need positive plus 100 and minus 41. So see, you have to give minus sign both the numbers. Then you can get minus 41 and plus 400. Okay, is it okay? If you add, you will get minus 41. If you multiply, you have plus 400. Okay, so this is the right pair. So you can write minus n minus 16 and n minus 25 equal to 0. See, that is n is equal to 16 and n is equal to 25. Okay, so you have n two values. Okay, so n is a 2 value, one is 16 and other one is 25. But we have to find the n value. Okay, but what is that? What about L? Okay, so when 16 n is a 16, what is your L? And n 25, what is your L? So that you have 2 more sums too. So this is, you have to find 16th element. So what is your formula students? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so we are going to find the 16th. So this is 20. So 15 means 15 into minus 1. So this is 20 minus 15. So this is 5. So 16th term is 5. Okay, see, A 25th term. So what about 25th term? So that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is your A? Again 20. This is 24. This is minus 1. So if you multiply, you will get minus 24. So your answer is minus 4. So log cannot be minus, negative. Okay, so it cannot be negative, so it should be positive. So your answer should be 5. So 16th element is 5. So this is your answer. Okay students, do you understand? Yes? Is it a difficult sum? No, it is so easy, so simple sum, but takes slightly little bit time. So after seeing the video, you do the sum. Okay, so if you do the sum again and again, you will be practiced. Okay, practice makes perfect. This problem is suitable for mathematics. Okay, so if you do the sum, you read the sum. Okay, and do the sum on your own. Okay students, after seeing the video, do the sum. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.